Some products we sell require a little extra help and hand-holding, and they need someone who can install and train you on it. So we have a network of dealers throughout the country who we work with who, if you're interested in these next group of products, they can help you with the installation and training and all that other good stuff. So you can still give us a call at our 800 number, but for these next products coming up, we're here to help you teach and learn about them. So the first product I want to start with is the TriCaster TC1. TriCaster TC1 is a rack-mountable product from NewTek. Multiple inputs, multiple outputs, all NDI, starting at $14,995. But if you're going to do sports, you're going to want to put your TriCaster TC1 together with a NewTek 3-play 3P1. Now the 3P1 is an NDI 3-play device. It's a controller and a software that allows you to do all kinds of instant replay and cool stuff like that. And I believe we have a little video we could show about that. Correct, Adam? So let's roll that video now.
To create an event, I'm going to select the Set In button. And now you'll notice that I have an event starting at the very bottom of the screen here on 0-1. Little razzle dazzle. Oh, still going, and yeah, bucket. So set out. Cool. Now we have our event. Now to play these clips, we'll make sure that we have our A output selected on our control surface, and then click Clip List to play the event that we just captured. Now that you have the replay ready, you can tell your director, replay ready, and they can use this source in their production.